What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to explain an Amazon FBA product launch hack, and that is how to rank keywords on Amazon using a two-step super URL. What's up guys? Welcome to the video. If you don't know me, my name's Myles, and I've gone in the last 2 years from zero to selling 7 figures a year on Amazon. And in my experience, launching a product is a critical part of having a successful, profitable Amazon FBA business. And what product launching really means is actually ranking your product for specific keywords. So a keyword is something that a customer types into Amazon when they're looking for a product. And if you can get your product to the top when they type that in, so the first thing that they see is your product, then you have thousands, potentially millions of customers looking for your product. And when they see it, they buy it, and that's how you make money on Amazon. So the key thing you need to know for a successful product launch is how to rank keywords on Amazon. The way that I'm going to show you is using what's called a two-step super URL or a two-step storefront URL. And this is the simplest and most effective way of doing this today. So this will be a lot easier to explain on my computer, I think. So I'm going to share my screen with you and go through it together. But first, if you are finding these videos valuable, if you're getting something out of them, you're learning something new, I would really appreciate it if you could give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel out, and it just shows me that these videos are worthwhile making. Okay, so I'm going to hop into my computer now, and I'm going to show you this Amazon FBA product launch hack, how to rank keywords on Amazon using the two-step super URL.
Okie dokie guys, so let's just run through the basics really quickly together so we know that we're on the same page here. So let's pretend that I'm a customer of Amazon and I want to buy mixing bowls. So I'm going to go to Amazon, type into the search bar here, mixing bowls. And Amazon is going to present me with the results ordered in a way as such that it thinks that it should be presenting the best results first, right? Because it wants to link me, the customer, the buyer, with the product that I want to buy, because then Amazon makes money. And when Amazon's happy and they're making money, then everybody else is happy as well. So it's showing me these results. And what we're trying to do with a product launch or trying to rank keywords is trying to get our product seen up here with these top ones. So those are ads, but we want to be here in this number one position. So that's essentially what we're doing when we're launching a product and when we're trying to rank keywords on Amazon, okay? So the way that this works, I guess organically or traditionally without any launch strategies or any hacks that we're gonna use, is Amazon orders these results. So we've got number one, number two, number three, and so on and so forth in order of sales history. So this fine dine, this number one result has had the most sales for mixing bowls in recent history. Okay, so what we want to do basically to get up to here to number one, it means that we just need to have the most sales history for mixing bowls, right? And so if we were getting people to come and buy our mixing bowls, the way to get up to here is actually to have them type in mixing bowls and then go all the way down this list to wherever we are, whether it's on page 1, 2, 3, 20, click through all of these pages like this, and then wait until they see our listing amongst all of the rest, and then click through and buy it. So that's the traditional way of doing this. That's obviously really hard to do. People can't be bothered clicking through all these pages to find our products. We need to make this easier for our customers to come and buy our products. So the way we're going to do that is, firstly, I'm going to show you a couple of ways, and I'll show you this one first. So we're going to go to find our storefront URL, and let's assume that we're fine dine. So you go here where it says, if this was your ASIN, go here where it says sold by, and then it has the seller name. And if this was you, you'd click it and then go to your storefront here. So now before we were looking at thousands of results, now we're just looking at the 94 results in YH Goods storefront. And so again, you'd be doing this for your own storefront. And you can see as well, the key thing is here, it doesn't say Amazon.com. So we're not searching for all of Amazon. We're just searching through this storefront. So if we want to type in mixing bowls, but make it easy for somebody to come and find our product and to buy it, we've filtered down to our store, and now we can only see, in this case, it's 5 results because I have lots of different mixing bowls. So this is really cool because you can see how much easier now it is for somebody to find our new product, and having to search through 20 pages, they just go to this page straight away. And the important things to note are that it has the keywords in here, and we can just copy this URL, and if we paste it, it still has the mixing bowls in the search term, and it still shows it here. And so when somebody clicks through this URL, you give them this URL, they click through, and then they buy your item through this. They don't have to look for it, but it still will help with the ranking effect. So you'll still be doing, if you do this 50 times or 100 times, Amazon thinks that 50 or 100 customers just bought your product for mixing bowls. And so they think that your product is a great mixing bowl, and it should be right at the top with this fine dine one, right in that number one position on that number one page. So that's really awesome. And we can actually take this one step further and make this even easier to use using this free tool by Helium 10. So if you're interested in using this, go to helium10.com/gems. And they have a number of cool little URL creators on this page. But for now, we're only interested in number 4, which is two-step via Storefront. And so this will just automatically generate what I just showed you the manual way of doing, okay? And you can see here it says target specific keywords, blah, 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 blah. And it gives you the example. And what we need to do is type in the storefront ID. So this will be your storefront ID. So after the %sign 3D, yours starts with this A, normally it'll be. And then take that 14 characters, chuck it in here. And you can actually take this one step further. So in this case, it was mixing bowls that we wanted to rank for. So we leave that in here. But let's say you have a storefront with lots of products. So here we have 5 different mixing bowls to choose from. And so maybe that's really confusing for the person who's going to be buying these products for us. So we need to make sure that we can narrow it down just to the one that we want to rank, because we don't want these sales going down here for no reason, right? So we want to narrow it down to this one, okay? So what we're going to do is just grab the ASIN of your product, and you can either find it here, I'll copy that. You can also scroll down along your listing and it's here as well, same thing. And then just copy this in here. And if you wanted to filter it down further, you could set price filters, but we don't need to do that. We've set the storefront. So this is our storefront in here. This is the keyword that we want to rank, and this is our product. So we go generate now. And then down here it updates, and all you have to do is either copy this, or in this case, let's click through and test it. And so you can see here, we've only got one single product. And so again, guys, this is all there is to using a two-step super or storefront URL, is just narrowing it down so that when somebody comes through here, instead of having to look through all of those pages, they just see this one result, and then they click through, they buy, and that's how you launch, and that's how you rank. But if we want to go even more advanced now and get just extra value out of this hack, we can use a tool that ZonPages has, zonpages.com. I'll leave a link down below as well. But they allow you to create an even more customized storefront URL. Let me show you how. So you can choose the marketplace, and then again, we're going to type in the merchant ID. So set the same one up. But now here, check this out. We can rotate keywords. So if we want to rank for mixing bowls, that's fine. We use this URL, no problem. But what if we want to rank for multiple keywords at once? What if we want to rank for 2 or 3 different keywords? It could be mixing bowls and I don't know, kitchen bowls. I know it's a different product, but bear with me. And let's say now we wanted to have, if we were going to drive 100 sales, we wanted to drive 60 to mixing bowls, we can do that using this. And so we'll set 60. And then kitchen bowls, we want to be the other 40 out of the 100. And so you give people one URL and it will actually send them proportionally to both of these keywords. So you can rank for multiple keywords at once. And ZonPages allows you to go another step further in terms of the value that you get out of this by adding in your Amazon affiliates account ID, if you have one. And so what that actually allows you to do is every time somebody clicks through your link and then they buy a product on Amazon, whether it's the product that you're ranking or it's any other product they buy, you'll actually get some cash back for that, which is really cool. It's, I don't know what it is, like 5 to 10%, I think. So, you know, it's not insignificant. And not only that, but it actually allows traffic tracking. So you can actually pixel the people who go through this link. And maybe this is advanced stuff, so if you're not familiar with the value that this unlocks, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to put more videos out about this and how cool it is, but basically it means that anybody who clicks on your link, later on, you can target them very specifically using either Facebook ads or Google ads. Anyway, guys, I've shown you the 3 ways to do it, whether you do it manually by going in yourself, typing the search term, finding your storefront, or whether you use Helium 10 to do it using this 2-step via storefront, or you go to ZonPages. This is how you rank on Amazon.
And there you have it, guys. That's an Amazon FBA product launch hack, how to rank keywords on Amazon using a 2-step super URL. So it's really this simple. The next stage for you to do is now to start driving traffic to this URL that you've created for those keywords. And once you get those people coming in through that URL, buying the product, ranking it up, then your product will get higher and higher up. You'll get more and more sales, and you'll just have done your first successful Amazon FBA product launch. Guys, I hope you did find this video incredibly valuable. If you did, please do me the favor of subscribing and of liking the videos. It really helps me and the channel out, and just it tells me that I should keep making these videos. By the way, if you want a video, a 10-minute tip on a specific thing, a specific problem that you're having with your business right now, whether it's through product research all the way to launching, or maybe you've already launched a product and you're having issues, tell me what you're having issues with, and if I can make a quick 10-minute or less video like this about it, then I will. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.